The ALERT205 is a reliable and flexible transmitter designed specifically for use in ALERT2 applications. It's available in 3 packages for different mountings and installations. There are also communication options when ordering to equip the ALERT205 with Wi-Fi, a radio, or a cellular modem. This video series will show you how simple it is to set up and retrieve data from the ALERT205. It will show you how to attach the battery and use the browser-based interface hosted by the transmitter to configure the sensors being attached to the ALERT205. Set up communication between the ALERT205 and the network. Use the dashboard to see station information and sensor values. Retrieve data from the ALERT205. And use the built-in diagnostic tools. Upon receiving and unboxing the ALERT205, the first thing to do is install a 12-volt, 12-amp-hour battery. There are only 2 terminals to connect, the red positive wire and the black negative wire. Connect a computer to the console port on the ALERT205 using the supplied USB cable to access the onboard configuration utility. On units with an integrated Wi-Fi module, the onboard configuration may also be accessed wirelessly. Search for Then Connect to the ALERT205 access point. When connecting to the ALERT205 with a USB cable for the first time, the computer may ask if you want your computer to be discoverable by other computers on the network. This is because the ALERT205 uses the USB cable as a virtual Ethernet connection. Since this network is just the computer and the ALERT205, it doesn't matter which selection you make. Select No to continue. Now open a web browser, preferably Chrome, and enter 192.168.66.1 for wired connections. If you're using a Wi-Fi connection, enter 192.168.67.1 instead. If you plan on configuring more than one ALERT205, add this page to your bookmarks. Each ALERT205 you connect will use this same IP address. When you first connect to the ALERT205, you'll see this message since the transmitter hasn't been configured yet. Click the Configuration tab. The ALERT205 Getting Started page is accessed through this link. This page provides information on the ALERT205 system along with instructions on configuring the system. Returning to the configuration screen, you'll see a small I, or information button, next to each parameter. Click the I to display more information about that parameter. Now let's set up a user account. Click the User Accounts button where you'll create a new account, configure your existing accounts, or remove an account. Accounts can be given different permission levels from an administrator with full access to read-only access to none at all. In the next video, you will configure the ALERT205 by adding sensors and setting up communications.